goes, winding up for the shot, and oh! The cannon has fired and hit Sterling directly to the face. Here he goes with the approach. Oh!
Sterling with a fantastic dive. The ball flies straight through his hand.
Yes, as his trainer takes him off the field like a mustached lion dragging a gazelle through the Serengeti.
For the kick to happen. He's probably wondering when. Oh! Sweet butter crumpet! The ball drills Sterling right in the face. Literally just has to kick it anywhere except where Sterling is sitting.
There is no possible way that North Carolina can mess up this shot.
Oh!
158 kilometers per hour!
This man can do no wrong!
Look at him beg for mercy when it's mercy that should be begging for him!
He has looked death in the eye and crawling away from the goal. What is he doing?
He's throwing away the bat! Ah! Picture of glory! We thank you for sharing this absolutely heart-stopping...
What's she doing?
No, she's not.
No.
No, she said it on.
Why is she so afraid to get so close? Okay.
Here we go. She got it. She got it on the right side this time. Oh my gosh.
Okay. Oh,
Stop. I know she keeps She just got here.
okay, there you go.
Here we go. She's got it. Where is she going?
She's doing a, she just did a circle.
Did you hear him? Oh, there she found the gas tank.
Side. I mean, it's on the correct side.
That's the right side.
That's the correct side. She's got the gas tank.
She did.
Yes. Okay.
Oh!
Yes. Okay, she has it.
She literally had it encircled around. That guy's judging her so hardcore. Is it the worker?
Yeah.